Today, I'll show you how to use the SUBSTITUTE.ALL function, the smartest find and replace engine on the planet. You only need 3 arguments: the text you want to modify, and 2 lists, the words you want to swap, and their replacements. The result looks great at first, but there is a big issue. Everything was perfect until we hit this row. Because we are replacing cat with dog, Excel gives us this. No worries, this is why we should use the whole words only argument. Set it to true, and now it only replaces exact words. Cat gets swapped, but catalogs remain untouched. What if we only want to replace lowercase cat, but not uppercase cat? Just flip the match case argument to true, and only case-sensitive matches are replaced. So, uppercase cat turns into dog. The lowercase cat stays in its place. So there you have it, SUBSTITUTE.ALL, the intelligent alternative to regular substitute. Don't let your formulas stay basic. Hit subscribe, and let's turn LAMBDA into legend.